So guys, we are inside our new project. Let's import a file. Suppose this one. Now select the layer, tab on this icon, duplicate the layer, select the upper layer, border and shadow, enable stroke, change the color to white, then the corner, round, increase the stroke size, totally up to you. Color and fill, disable the fill color, go back, effects, add effect, color and light, 4 color gradient. Standard settings, click on the drop down, change the color to the color you want. Also we can use keyframes to create changing color animation. Back to the main timeline, tab and hold on the left button of the layer. When it becomes green, select the second layer, pinch in with your 2 fingers so that we can see the full frame. Make a group by clicking on this button. If you want to edit the frame again, select the group, edit group, upper layer, border and shadow, and the stroke size. When you are done with editing, tab on the top left corner button to go back to the main timeline. That's all. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.